everyone, I'm Daniela. I am the SolidWorks and SolidWorks PDM SME for SPK and Associates. Today we'll be going over the many different colors of PDM folders. So I see this quite a bit with new PDM users. When they log into the vault and they see blue folders as shown here, this can cause some confusion. They may not have access to the same permissions they used to have, and of course the color is completely different from the standard green. So what this means is that their vault is currently offline, and this is usually toggled here under Tools, or it could be caused due to disconnecting from the network at some point. So the question I get is, how do I fix this? How do I go back to green folders? Well, right here under Tools, Work Online, you can go back easily to your green folders and resume work as normal. The other color you might see inside your vault is gray. Gray folders typically mean that these files have been cached locally and they no longer exist in the vault database. So these are folders that you've browsed to before, but maybe someone else deleted them or moved them, and that's why you are seeing this gray color. In addition, it could be that these files are now in a state that you do not have access to view. Maybe they are released and you are a engineering user or a viewer and don't have access to released files, or alternatively they are in work and you are dot control and you can't see files that are in work, so that could also be the cause. For more SolidWorks and SolidWorks PDM tricks and tips, please feel free to stick around.